Yes.
Yeah, the service tax part of it is that if the service tax has sections where certain services are excluded,
Yeah.
you don't have to pay tax on
Yes,
it.
yes.
And one of them is garbage collection, because it's the duty of the government.
Yes.
Now, if you are doing garbage collection, which in essence is you're doing the job of the government,
You are.
then I don't see why you have to pay, why you shouldn't be in that same list of excluded, because you're doing the job of the government. If the government can't do it and you're doing it there, then you shouldn't also be saying.
service you provide even to the government.
Yes, so that's
Because
why
they should actually give you
Yeah.
fund, not make
And-
you pay tax, no?
Yeah, and because this is being done by so few people who are doing it as a business,
Yes.
the government doesn't recognize this system
Yes,
right
yes,
now.
yes.
So right now we are in the gray area, no white, no black, and you
Yes,
don't know
yes,
where you
yes,
are,
yes, yes.
because even the government doesn't know.
So actually little people wants to take risk. I
Yes.
think, I assume also for all this
Yeah.
reason, it's a bit like a limit.
Yeah, but I think that when there are more people doing what we are doing, then there will be enough people to go and talk to the government,
Yes.
and then the government will then listen to them.
Yes, yes, yes.
So I think it will happen. It will happen soon. Same with the location. Now we are in an industrial area.
Yeah.
The industrial estate says no recycling activities permitted in an industrial
Uh-huh.
estate. The municipal level says no recycling there as well. The village says no recycling. So the question to ask the government is, where do you recycle?
Yes, because I think people look at this like something dirty.
Yeah.
To be honest, my first impression when I arrived today to your, I was gonna say office, it's like a nice workplace, you know. I feel they are doing something very good and clean actually.
Yeah.
It doesn't smell, it's everything is order.
Yeah.
You don't feel like you're in the middle of garbage actually,
Yeah,
you know, which
yeah.
is dirty and you know, why you spend all this time in recycling place, you're gonna catch some disease, no.
And that that has to do with how you manage it also.
Yes.
You know that the problem with all these recyclers is that they're so used to seeing waste,
Yeah,
that they live in a work in a messy area, and it's invisible to them.
yes.
But it's important that you keep your workplace clean. Now, even with these people, it might be clean now, but it's because we keep telling them again and
Yes,
again that
yes.
they have to.
No,
keep
but
it
it's
clean.
good.
But they do change. Like before, they would work with their hands.
Yeah.
Then we gave them gloves.
Yes, I see that. Yes.
And now we don't make it mandatory, but they ask for the gloves. So if we don't give it to them, they will say, please give us gloves. So it has made some changes
Yes.
there. That
Yes.
they're realizing that it is better. It's better to work in a shaded area than on the street. Things like that.
Thank you.